Hi, morning everyone. I'm here to try out the Firefly 2, which is the cam here. Which is supposed to shoot 2K and 1080p in 60 frames per second, 2K in 30 frames per second. I mounted on the drone. Hopefully it will fly because this drone can't take the heavy weights. We'll have a look and see how it looks like. Okay, at least it's flying. I gotta get some height out of this because it's gonna drop. He can't really take the weight. Hopefully it can, but that's as high as I can go, I think. Okay, it's going higher. Okay, hopefully I'm getting some view. Are you guys seeing this? Because I'm not sure if my camera is pointing at the drone. Okay, it's pretty slow because I think the weights. Let's point it at the sun or towards me. I think the camera is pointing at me now. Is it okay? I hope I'm getting some videos from the camera. Oh, it seems to be holding its height, but it's slowly descending. So we'll bring it down and change the Flycam 2 camera mode and have a look. So it's coming down. Maybe I should put the prop guards. Okay, we had one here. And that's how it looks like. I hope the video is good. Okay, hopefully my camera is catching this. Let's start it up and get it up the air. Oh crap. That's a great crash landing. I think I have to do it another way. Oh man. So first crash. Hopefully it's still recording. Let's start it up and get it pairing here. Okay, maybe I have to launch it this way. Okay, I have to pair it first, and then maybe I have to launch it with the hand. Hopefully this works, guys. Up, guy. Come on, up. Up, 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 up. Wow, he's trying to take the weight. I don't think he can hold. Oh, it's up finally. Poor guy, have to carry the fly cam too. I think for fly cam 1 is fine because it's lighter. This fly cam 2 is heavier. Hopefully I'm getting good image. Oops. It's probably running away. I gotta get it back. Come on, back here. It's getting further away from me. Ow, I think I know why. Because there's a wind blowing at it. So I better bring it down before it lands on the road. Which is gonna land on the road. Oh crap. Land in the bushes. I'm gonna have a hard time because I lost my drone and my plane. I lost my drone and my camera. Oh, am I seeing it? Okay, it's there. Thank goodness. Oh, this poor guy. I hope I didn't break it. Okay, you probably... It's still recording. You probably got the footage of this drone crashing. So, there you have it. I managed to get back the drone and the Firefly 2. I keep calling it Flycam 2. It's Firefly 2. And it landed at the trees there. Thankfully it didn't land on the branch or up at the top canopy. It fell to the ground, so I managed to get it back. If not, I would have lost the footage from the camera as well, the Firefly 2 camera. So let me mount this to a RC car and have a look how it looks like in the RC car. Alright, so I'm going to put this inside my RC to get the driver's view. So you have one driver's view, and I'll mount the Osmo action camera on top, and you have two views to compare to, and we'll have fun with this. So you like the spinning? Let me show you how it looks like from my view. So you like the spinning? Let me show you how it looks like from my view. Okay, let's show you how it looks like from my view. That's the spinning you saw. That's the 360 you saw from the camera. So this buggy is good at doing 360 spins, especially if it's wet. Look at that. So it can do spins from the rear as well. Watch that. Oops. Look at that. So you guys should get one buggy as well for fun on your weekends. If you have kids, they'll love it too. Okay, there you have it. I hope you guys like what you see. I hope the footage coming out from the Firefly 2 looks great, and we shall see on the next video. Have a nice day.